Guys, it's Capricia. Welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. And today we're making sausage with roasted zucchini and squash and peppers and onions. And if you're interested in seeing how everything turned out, stay tuned. Okay guys, first thing I'm gonna do is cut up the sausage. I'm gonna slice mine sideways to make it more aesthetically pleasing. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the hot one. And then this one right here is just a regular flavor. Move those over there. I'll cut these at an angle as well. I drizzled a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and I also put in about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let that melt down. And once it melts down, I'm going to add in the sausage and then brown them a little bit for extra flavor. So we're going to add in the meat. Kind of like make sure they're layered evenly pretty much so that they'll brown evenly. Okay, what I'm going to do now while they're trying to brown, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this roasted garlic and rosemary and sea salt special blend on them. I'm sprinkling right out of the bottle. Remember, all of the seasons are to taste. Okay guys, now that they're brown on both sides, what I'm going to do is take them and then set them aside. And then after this part, you're going to go and I'm going to go and cut up my vegetables. And it smells so good. So good. Okay, for this particular recipe, I'm going to use only half of the bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and half of an onion. But I'm going to add in the red, yellow, and green sweet peppers. And I probably only use between maybe 1 or 1.5 of the portobello mushrooms. Okay, I love my vegetables to be chopped kind of chunky, so I'm gonna be chopping them up kind of chunky. If you like yours a little more fine, feel free to chop yours a little more fine. Okay, I chopped up all the vegetables, and now it's time to put them back in the pot. Let them dance around in this good sauce for a little bit. Give it a good stir. I'm going to add in my mushrooms.
These colors are so vivid, real pretty.
Now this is the time I start adding in the seasoning. I'm going to add in a little bit of woo-woo sauce, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of sea salt. Let your vegetables cook down until they're tender, fork tender. Now, some people like their vegetables super soft, some people like them with a little bit of crunch. So we're going to try to find the medium. I'm going to add the meat back in. Okay, now I'm going to add in a big bunch of cherry tomatoes. Some people call them grape tomatoes. And then I'm going to let them break down on their own, because when they break down, they're going to release their juice, which is going to add to our sauce. Okay, we're almost at the end. We're going to let this simmer for about 7 minutes. until some of the tomatoes start to pop, releasing their juices. And then after that, we'll be serving it up and ready to eat. We're gonna serve it alongside some rice. And that's what we're eating tonight. So we're finally finished, and now it's time to eat up. I made a bigger plate earlier, but there's no way I can eat that much food. I can hardly eat the half of this, so we're gonna just dig in and see how it all turns out. Okay, let's see. Let me try some of these vegetables first. They're good. They're good. They don't have like that crunch that my daughter usually likes, but they're really good though. It's good. I put the right amount of salt in. Let me see. Let me try some of these tomatoes. If you guys want, you can just like mix it all together. Or not. I love rice so much I can just eat it just like it is. Let's see. That little pop from the tomatoes is so good. I think you guys are gonna really love this. It's really good. I think it turned out really good. It takes me a long time to chew. But it's a perfect one-pot meal, and I challenge you guys to try it. It's easy for the weekend. It's easy to pop in the pop on the stove, right? You know, when you get home from work. I guess that's it. If you like the video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing what I come up with at the end of the day when I get home from work. Anyway, but thank you guys for tuning in. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay. Ooh, what am I gonna? Your dad. Tell him to hold on while I do this video. Yeah, put him on. Yeah, let him watch the bloopers live.
Hey, Daddy,
you don't have to mute us though.
Mute us. We're about to film the outro. Mute us. You get to see it live.
Yep.
No, Dad, we're just gonna film the outro. It's like gonna take like 1 minute.
I want you to hear it.
Okay, good. He muted us. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Hold on.
There she go. Alright.
Okay.
Okay, bring this up.
On my stove looking.
Can you move that bag of veggies? That's kind of ruining my shot. There we go.
Over here. Do I need to move this?
No. Alright. Okay, ready? Okay.
Where's your dad so I can see him? So I can laugh.
Hold up.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's been recording, so 3, 2, 1. Now the outro.
Hey guys, we're finally finished and everything turned out really nice. Hey guys, we're finally finished and
You made a mess. You're making a mess.